For heavy rain climates, use a generous eave overhang as your first line of defense for siding and openings. For houses in high rainfall areas, the practical thumb rule is an overhang of 24 inches to 36 inches measured from the exterior wall. That range deflects most driving rain away from windows, doors, and vulnerable siding joints. Start by measuring roof pitch and expected rain trajectory, then choose an overhang toward the upper end if you face wind-driven precipitation. Add continuous drip edge flashing at the roof edge and step flashing where the roof meets walls, so water is directed over, not behind, your siding. Install a gutter sized for intense downpour and root leaders away from foundations to prevent splashback and moisture intrusion. For wind loading, consult local codes and increase rafter tail size or use engineered brackets so the overhang has proper structural support without excessive deflection. Seal all sheathings and penetrations with a high-quality building wrap and back that with a through-wall drainage plane to manage any water that breaches the first line of defense. Homeowners commonly undersize overhangs because of aesthetic preference or lot setbacks, which lets wind-driven rain reach openings. Choose an overhang at the recommended range and use flashing to compensate if space is limited. Another frequent issue is poor integration of gutters and flashing, which causes water to run behind siding. Install continuous flashing above the gutter line and ensure gutter outlets do not discharge at the wall base. A third problem is neglecting wind uplift and structural support for larger overhangs, which can lead to sag or failure during storms. Specify larger rafter tails, collar ties, or engineered brackets, and confirm fastener schedules to meet local wind requirements. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and materials ideas that relate directly to improving eave protection and drainage. We also host a discussion community where we share field experience and practical tips so our members can learn from each other and contractors can find work.